பண்ணி பாடுறாங்க.
வணக்கம் சென்னை. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நல்லா இருக்கே. I'm so happy. I'm so honored to be here. Thank you Behind Oats for this song, for this award. And I must say that Tamil Nadu has a very special place in my heart. I love Tamil Nadu. I love Tamil culture. And I love you all. Because of you, I'm Madhushri. You made all my songs super hit. From Sanda Kori Kori, Vaji Shivaji, Ding Dong, Marudani, Maile Ragai, and now Mallippu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your love. Thanks to A.R. Rahmanji who believes in me. And thanks the jury who believed in me. Thank you so much. Nandri.